Hello guys, today's video I will share with you how you can get Canva Pro education for $5 only. So let's go guys to share with you the tips to get Canva Pro. So let's go. First of all, we need to create an account in canva.com. Then as you see, here is Canva is not Pro at all. Here in billing, you will see Canva free. So let's have Pro education right now. So let's go to this website called tiglay.com. So let's go below and go to this section. Then I will go to buy now. First of all, read all this information. So I will go to buy now. I will fill my information here and I will pay. Okay guys, as you see, I received the information from Tiglay Digital. Here is the information they sent to me. So right now I have two emails. I have the Pro version. So let's go now to log into our Canva Pro. So let's copy this URL and continue. Let's receive the code from, like as they say, you will save the code in an email. So let's put the code here. Let's log in. Skip for now. Then we will go back to email and click on this join the class. Okay, right now guys, I have Canva Pro full version. So like, let's go for example to presentation and see if I had all the presentation is unlocked. I have all of them. I can use all of them. You see, it's Pro education. This is premium template. I will apply all this and I will modify all the designs and all things. So that's it guys. Thank you for completing the video. If you need to buy Canva, you will have now the website.